So hey folks, my name's Adrian, but my friends call me Smiley. Have you ever been scrolling and you come across something really cool and you're like, wow, I want to make something neat like this cigarette dispenser, except that I don't smoke? I saw it and I wondered, could I convert that into a battery dispenser? I thought maybe one, maybe two revisions, but I was way wrong. So I ended up designing the first two pieces, and of course, I made a silly mistake where I couldn't fit it together, where I ended up trying to conserve material and time, so I just took a hacksaw and cut off the two flanges that I'd made too long because I couldn't tuck it together. But of course, then once I started trying to test it, things weren't well aligned. This definitely did not turn out to be as simple as I thought it was going to be. So I went back to the drawing board. I made some adjustments. I tweaked and I tuned. And I printed the parts again. So I went back and forth to modifying, adjusting, trying to save material, cutting off parts, and testing, trying to get it right. Well, normally, they say the third time is the charm. In this case, it's the sixth time that is the charm, where I finally got it right. This thing will hold up to 12 AAA batteries, and it will not jam. But prior to that, I was fighting jams. I'd love to know what you think, and what items have you designed and printed and found that it was more challenging than you thought? Watch this video next. Thanks for watching.